Welcome to the Vortex, the Time Vortex. This is Strato Time! Or Strato here for another episode of Gravity Rush 2. And we are on our way to our next mission. Sorry, I didn't start where I was hoping to start, but you know, whatever. I'll get there. It didn't look like I have anyone else to talk to, just got a few of the side missions at this point. I felt like I stopped completely, which was interesting. Of course, I'm not starting at the missions that are closest. I'm starting at some of the further missions. Let's collect these real quick because I can see them. There we go. I have a rendezvous with you. I can't do what you're asking. I said I'd pay whatever you wanted. I'm famous in La Havana, you know. Now fetch me that airboat. What's got him so upset? Our boats run on a very strict schedule. We can't change that. Can't? It's for little people. You better do what I tell you. Wait, that's that nasty old guy I met in Elgana. Hey guy, maybe you should calm down. Huh? Oh, you. You're just what I need. I no longer need you and your boat. Shoo! Gladly. Should have left that alone. That was actually, oh yeah. But whatever. Young people just don't understand how the world works. Well, looks like you're my new ride. I can take you wherever you want to go, but it'll cost you. I should have expected you'd be after my money. I've got a very big mouth to feed back in the settlement. I need whatever I can get. Yeah, save your I'm poor sob story for someone who cares. It's getting tough to stand this guy. Are you paying or not? Fine, I'll pay you. Whatever you deserve if you get the job done. Don't worry, after I'm done, you'll pay up. So, where do you want to go? Well, first I'd... that's... Follow that bike! I thought you had somewhere you wanted to go. Just do what I told you. We're losing time. Fine, you're the boss, so long as I get rewarded for this. Come on, earn your pay. I didn't see where they went. An indicator might be nice. Did I lose them? Of course you lost them! They're headed over to that island. Which island? Thank you, please. Got too much luggage. We lost them. Some help you were. Sorry. Save your apologies. Just take me over to that island. Yeah, sure. I'm getting real tired of this guy looking down his nose at me. Don't do this to me. This is all that young punk's fault. Not here either. Doesn't this guy have some place he wanted to go? If you were trying to find those two people on the bike... Quiet! Just follow my orders. Take me to the place where I can get a good look around. Yeah. When I get my hands on that little punk... Ugh, where'd they go? You know, it might help me help you if you told me what was going on. My beloved daughter is running around with some ne'er-do-well. Worse, he's one of those people from Elgana. Imagine that Elgana man with designs on my little girl. She says she loves him, but that's ridiculous. She's being taken in. He's after the family fortune. I know it! I have to keep tracking her down and drag her back home for her own good. This time, she left a letter. Said, we're eloping! She knew I'd come after her, so she sabotaged the private yacht. I know, he's behind all of this. He better give me back my daughter. You never know. They could just be in love. She told you she loved him, right? Stay out of this! What would you know about my daughter? You don't listen to people. You're always barking orders. You're judgmental. Maybe your daughter left because of you. Huh? How did you know my daughter said all that about me? Lucky guess. I see them. Catch her! We can't lose her again! You know, even if we catch her, she's just gonna run off again. Promise me you'll have a proper heart-to-heart with her. Fine, heart-to-heart. Just hurry up. They went down there. Dropped me off. You did say drop after all. You wait here. I'll go get your daughter and bring her back so you can talk. How dare you! Never mind, just get her back for me. She's a smart girl, she won't be easy to convince. Sneak up on the man's daughter and catch her. Now just have to get in close. Stupid goals. Daddy? Did she see me? Would you relax? No one's here. I'm sorry, I can't help looking over my shoulder for my dad. Phew, almost caught me. I think she knows her dad's close. If I make any sudden movement, she'll know he sent me. I should try walking. What are you doing? She's that way. I know. It's called walking down the steps versus running. Oh my god, really? Oh, there's stairs right here. I didn't see the stairs right here, okay? Who are you? Luna, come back to your dad. Oh, come on, you were supposed to wait for me. It's Dad, run. You messed everything up. Oh my god, really? Stupid birds ruined my chance. Oh, this is gonna be annoying. I'm trying to walk! God, these birds are a darn obstacle course, aren't they? Is someone there? Stupid birds ruined my chance. There's no walk button feature! Oh, it's because I came in from the front. She spotted me. These goddamn birds. I hate these birds most of all. It's hard enough I gotta walk. Gotcha. Don't care anymore. What are you doing? Well done, you got her. Dad? Dad, you actually hired someone to bring me back? Anyway, it doesn't matter what you do, we're in love. But you promised heart to heart, remember? How can I have a heart-to-heart when she's being unreasonable? How could a man from Elgana possibly make my Elona happy? Sheesh, give it a rest. Dad, I promise I'll do whatever I can to make your daughter happy. Don't you go calling me Dad. I'm no poor man's father. Don't move. I'm coming over there. I knew it. He'll never change. There's no point talking. Let's go. But wait! Of course. Scarabs, take the lovebirds and run. Elena, with me. I'm not going anywhere with you. Now's not the time to argue. I can't bear to let anything happen to you. You need to go. Dad? What the heck is that? Knew that's what that is. Drop. I took that to the face. Where am I going? That was weird. That seems to be everything. It's all of them. And another screaming. Dad, take Alona and go! I'll buy you time. Lad, you take her. Hey monster, it's me you want! What are you two doing? Just go out, get out of here. Come on. There we go. I may have been quick to judge you just because you're from Elgana. I thought for sure you'd abandon my daughter when times got tough. But you protected her. Dad? Daddy! Old guy? What are you doing just standing there? Get to work. Work? What now? Take our family picture. That's my future son-in-law. I'll pay you, but you better take a good one. Okay, everyone line up. R2 zoom. I want to zoom in just a little. Nope, not that button. Photo item. Oh, take photo R1. Nice picture. There you go, one awesome family picture. I thought the old guy didn't have a loving bone in his body. But I guess he really cares about his daughter. If he was all bad, he wouldn't have let her be happy. Thank you for using Black Cat Transport today. It's nice. Obtain phone booth, photo item. Today's the day when they're having the important gathering. Oh, hello, there's somebody to talk to. Treasure hunts. Never mind, I won't jump the wall like I was hoping. I will collect these. Cancelled service. I don't belong to you, not anymore. Wait, who's going to take care of me? Take care of yourself, or pay someone a fair wage to do it. You always helped me before. This is a new age. I'm a free man. I can't live without you. Please don't go. Looks like the roles have been reversed. Let's see. This one next. That one was not very. It would not be a very long episode. Be like maybe 10 minutes, maybe, with some of me just flying around. Oh boy, here we go. Seagull number 3. Dream of the Sky 3. Okay then, if we're gonna Dream of the Sky 3, let's look at power-ups real quick. Can I power up? Not yet. Down by about 400. Gravity kick's my fastest mode of transportation. Come on. Why would I not want to boost that? Only the chosen can reach here. The top of the world. Let me guess. Another kid with a racing bird.
Sure.
My big brother's a living legend. No one can beat him.
Oh.
Yeah, he's super fast. Triplets.
Absolutely.
Prepare to be defeated by the Crimson Flash. Even if you're going to lose, I appreciate the challenge, Gravity Shifter. We'll see about the losing thing. Are we done talking? Let's get to racing. Oh, darn it. It didn't even go through that ring. Oh, darn tree. We're in the final stretch. I crashed like 3 times. I did it! I won. I guess that makes me the fastest in the world.
Awesome.
The Crimson Flash lost. How could this happen?
Ever.
There's no way he could lose. No!
Anna.
Don't cry. This isn't the end. This is a new beginning. I just have to train to become even faster.
Oh.
Great Gravity Shifter Cat. When we meet again, we won't be so easy to defeat. And until that day, may the skies be friendly and your birds be friendly.
Evil.
Friendly-er? Great, now I'm starting to talk like them. Yay! Stay when they're having the festival gathering. Can I get the map, please? Thank you! Bridge to tomorrow. the crown, newspaper delivery, bridge to tomorrow. I want to get try to get this third side quest done, since that race was super fast. Bridge to tomorrow. Lisa and the others are probably busy prepping for the town meeting. It's so strange to see all those people gathered in Havana, though. We can't let the city fall into the hands of the rebels. Are you ready? Yes, sir. They won't see us coming, sir. If we take them by surprise and capture Lisa and the other leaders, we'll nip the rebellion right in the butt. They're trying to rebuild the city, and here these guys are gearing up for war. What are you planning? It's you! Oh no, Navi! That's the gist I get from that. Help! Wait, don't leave our commander behind! I can't just leave him. That can't be everything. Can it? I don't think so. I got more in that other mission than I did this one. So far. Okay! There we go. Look at all these people! What insubordination! I'll have their hides for leaving me! We need to evacuate before more scarabs show up. The Blue Mask, you're one of them. Help! Somebody help! Commander, please! I'll make sure you're rewarded if you see us to safety first. Madame? Wait, what about the rest of us? Quiet, rebel scum! We don't have time to fight at a time like this. You're not taking his side, are you? You haven't changed at all. I'm not taking anyone's side. I'm just trying to evacuate everyone. See that? That's our ride out of here. If we can't get the people to the airboat, I'll hold off the scarabs. You get everyone to safety. Got it. Let's go. Come on, come with me. Defeat the Nevi blocking the path. To allow people to move, make sure everyone safely reaches the boat. Now if you get too close, the people's fear level will begin to raise. When it maxes out, you will fail the escort mission. Where are they? I want them to proc on me, not the people. Where is it? That one just had a tough shell. Please get us to the boat! Will anything happen? See, this is why I wish I could run ahead and they just trigger on me. Why isn't the garrison here to help? This is a spot. I'm coming! Don't panic, we've got help! Why are we going around this thing instead of going up? Keep behind me! How far is it from here? I don't know. I don't know why we're running in a giant circle. More scarabs! Are there any more? That one's annoying. That was probably the worst one I've fought so far. Scarabs in La Havana! Finally, we're going up! Okay. I'm gonna have to save that for I don't know what. More scarabs. Any more? Any more? Grab some debris from that thing. Stay together, everyone! Okay, there's the boat we're going to. Finally! There's stuff here. Grab it. I'll probably need it. Into the boat, right over there! We're almost home free! That's what I was worried about. We're surrounded! Just run for it! I'll distract them! But that's suicide! I was originally from Elgana, but I've been doing horrible things for the garrison all these years. It's time I make up for that. Everyone can charge. It's time to forget change. It's time to forget the past. You don't need to throw your life away. I'll handle the scarabs. Alone? Compared to what happened back at the Bismalia, this is nothing, right? Get everyone to safety for me. Oh, come on! Turn off moon mode! These things are the hardest things to deal with. Please stop. That's the last of them. Oh, thank God. That was broken. Every time I activated my special, it would glitch and it didn't work. It only worked once. Phew, everyone made it. Thanks to you. And you're the one who got the boat here. My blue mask savior. Here's a little something for you. And I hope you'll continue to watch out for us here in Havana in the future. I can't accept this, ma'am. I was just doing my duty. Okay, all aboard. Imagine throwing away good money like that. Don't think that just because you're doing the right thing, everything will work out. Hold on! We have to stop him. Who knows what kind of trouble he'll stir up. It's okay. We've been watching him and the rest of the old guard. We discovered their plans to stop the town meeting. The old guards are few and ill-equipped. They won't cause us any trouble. And from now on, we're not going to rely on force, but persuasion to lead the people. That sounds like a good plan. You can only push people so far. The city is changing fast. I hope someday, soon, it'll become a place where everyone can be happy. There were still problems to be solved, but the people were accepting change, and slowly but surely, Jogpa Lo was changed for the better. Level up. Maximum health and gravity energy increased. Da 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 da. It's a day where they're having that important gathering. Yay! Okay. Ooh, wow, there's definitely a lot of people over here. Well, I do hope you all enjoyed. If you did, leave a like, subscribe. We'll see you in the next episode. As for now, this is Strato Time Lord Strato, signing out.